Recently, I had the opportunity to stay at the Animal Kingdom Lodge in Walt Disney World. When I arrived to the resort, this was my view in the incredible lobby that overlooked a savanna full of wild animals just roaming about freely. It was truly breathtaking. Today, I'm going to show you guys a little bit of the resort, so come along. So I've arrived at my room, and I couldn't be in a better place, right here, off the Animal Kingdom lobby. It's pretty incredible, from what I can tell so far. And here's my room. Give you a quick room tour. So you've got the standard king-size bed in here. Never mind all my garbage there. Cool safari-looking lights. Have a little patio out here. Little daybed, some African art it looks like. Refrigerator if you need it. Looks like a coffee maker, which I don't like drinking coffee in hotel rooms. That's just me because I'm weird. And then we got the bathroom here, complete with my favorite products. I love the H2O stuff. And then here is the bathroom. Pretty cool. And just check out this wallpaper. This is really cool to me. It's like safari wallpaper. Dig it. So out here you can come out and enjoy yourself on these rocking chairs. And it tells you what kind of animals you might see out here in the savannah, which is really awesome. I already spot a zebra out there. It's like they have a place where they do s'mores later on. So this gives you a better idea of some of the hotel rooms that you can get that overlook the savannah. Really awesome to sit out here and drink coffee and watch a giraffe or a zebra walk by in the morning. Animal Kingdom Lodge is really a quite peaceful resort. It's kind of set apart from the rest of all the theme parks and resorts in Walt Disney World, and you really do feel like you're in another country. Back in the lobby, and it really is a grand lobby. It's full of lots of African art and great views everywhere I look. I'm out here checking out the pool now at the Animal Kingdom Lodge, and it looks like a good one. The pool's always my favorite place to hang out when I go to a resort, and this one doesn't seem to disappoint. Lots of lush greenery around and tropical landscape. It almost gives me that Polynesian resort kind of a vibe. These guys live in their own little spot right behind the pool here at the lodge. They're really pretty, and I could sit out here and just watch them for hours. Here's a really cool activity that they have at the Animal Kingdom Lodge. They actually have night vision that you can look over the savannah with goggles on and see animals out on the savannah that you normally wouldn't be able to see with just the naked eye. It's really cool and really fun to do. They have this activity on select nights out by the savannah, so be sure to stop by once the sun goes down. It's a lot of fun. Back at the pool again, and in my opinion, one of the most fun things you can do at a resort is take a dip at the pool at night. It's a completely different vibe with all the lights and just the way it feels at night. So much fun. Before checking out and going home from Animal Kingdom Lodge, I made it a point to stop at Sanaa, the restaurant on property, because I'd been dying to try their bread service. They brought out some naan that was hot and buttery and delicious, and it paired very well with about 9 different sauces that they brought out, all of which were really good. Some were spicy, some were sweet, all delicious. And of course I had to wash it down with a watermelon drink at the lounge. Definitely stop by Sanaa if you're at Animal Kingdom Lodge. It's so delicious. Thanks for joining me at Animal Kingdom Lodge in Walt Disney World. I'll see you next time on my day off. Please like and subscribe.